Hey everyone! Today, we're solving the lasagna exercise from the Go track on Exercism. If you haven't used Exercism before, it's a free platform for practicing coding challenges in multiple programming languages with real-time feedback and mentoring. I've already copied the exercise link from the website and pasted it into my terminal in VS Code to download the problem. Now, let's open the file and start coding. The goal of this exercise is to help a chef manage lasagna cooking times. We need to define a constant for the total oven time. Write a function to calculate the remaining oven time. Create a function that computes preparation time based on the number of layers. Implement a function that calculates the total elapsed cooking time. In Go, we use constants for fixed values. The problem specifies that the total baking time for the lasagna is 40 minutes, and each layer takes 2 minutes to prepare. Defining these values as constants makes the code cleaner and avoids hard-coded numbers. Now, let's write the required functions. First, we need a function to calculate how much time is left in the oven by subtracting the actual baking time from the total required time. Next, we create a function that determines the preparation time based on the number of layers. Since each layer takes a fixed amount of time, we multiply the number of layers by the time per layer. Finally, we implement a function that calculates the total elapsed cooking time. This function adds the preparation time and the actual oven time to get the total cooking duration. Now that our code is complete, we can test it by running the built-in test cases provided with the exercise. If all tests pass, our solution is correct and ready to submit. And that's how you solve the lasagna exercise on Exercism using Go. If you found this useful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding!